Good morning, students. Let's pledge. I, someone, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all the necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Today we will revise chapter 1 back exercise page number 15. Okay. Students, see. Take the correct answers. Which of the following devices was invented by the Chinese to count large number? Invented by Chinese to count large number is, yes, abacus. It's abacus. Okay. Next, who developed the Pascaline? Blaise Pascal, John Napier, Hermann Hollerith or Charles Babbage? Who developed the Pascaline? It's Blaise Pascal. Okay. Next, in which form of the input was fed into tabulating machine? In which form the input was fed into tabulating machine? Yes, punched cards है ना. टेबुलेटिंग मशीन में इनपुट कैसे होता है? बाय द punched cards. Okay. Next, who is known as the father of computers? Blaise Pascal, John Napier, Hermann Hollerith or Charles Babbage? It's D. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, known as the father of computer. Why he is known as father of computer? Because he developed the analytical engine, which is the base foundation of modern computer. Okay. Come to the next page. See. Which of the following was the first electronic computer developed in 1946? First electronic computer. It's ENIAC. Okay, ENIAC was the first electronic computer developed in 1946, and after ENIAC, UNIVAC was developed. So the first electronic computer was ENIAC. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. And dash was mainly used by merchants to perform the basic calculations. C. Used by the merchants to perform the basic calculations. It's abacus. Okay, and abacus was mainly used by merchants to perform the basic calculations. Next, C. The dash was the calculating unit of analytical engine. The mil was the calculating unit in the analytical engine. Okay, come to the next. The paper cards containing several punched holes to present data is dash. It's punched cards, which is the paper cards containing several punched holes to represent data. Okay. Next, the dash was invented by Hermann Hollerith. The tabulating machine. The tabulating machine was invented by the Hermann Hollerith. Okay. Okay. The next is the ability to perform different types of task is called dash. To perform different types of task is called versatility. ठीक है? Versatility is the ability to perform different types of task. What do we call it? Versatility. What do we call it? Versatility. Okay. And versatility is the ability to perform different types of task. Okay. Now come to the true or false. Okay. First, Blaise Pascal developed UNIVAC. No, Blaise Pascal developed Pascaline. And here written developed UNIVAC. So it is false. है ना? Next, the mill, store, reader and printer are parts of analytical engine. Yes, it's true. Mill, store, reader and printer are the parts of analytical engine. Okay? Next, a computer is dependent on the instructions given by the user. Yes, because computer is a machine and it needs instruction to work. है ना? When user give the instruction to computer, then it will perform action. है ना? So, a computer is dependent on the instructions given by the user. It is true. Next, ENIAC was the first general purpose computer? No. ENIAC was designed for business purpose, commercial purpose, है ना? And not for the general purpose. So it is false. Okay? Next one, third generation computers are portable? False, because third generation computer was also very large in size, है ना? And not portable. So it is false. Okay. Now list any 5 early calculating device. 5 early calculating device. First is abacus. क्या क्या हो सकता है बताओ? C. In your book there is 5 early calculating device was abacus, है ना? Napier's bone, Pascaline, difference engine, and fifth one is analytical engine. Okay, these are the 5 early calculating devices. Okay, now name 2 machines designed by the Charles Babbage. 2 machines. Yes, first is analytical engine and second is difference engine. Difference engine and analytical engine designed by the Charles Babbage are 2 machines designed by Charles Babbage. Okay. Next, write any 3 characteristics of computer. Any 3, है ना? वैसे तो बहुत सारे characteristics हैं. C, है ना? यहाँ पे देखो C. Speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, high storage. But you have to write only 3, है ना? देखो speed. We all know the computer works, है ना, on very high speed as compared to human beings, because computer is a machine. So speed is one of the characteristics of computer. Next is accuracy. Accuracy, we all know that computer never make mistakes, है ना? It follow our instructions and performs. So 100% accuracy given by the computer. Diligence, computer never get tired, so it is also diligence. Versatility, computer can perform different types of tasks at one time. We all know, है ना? Audio, video, drawings, downloading, uploading, है ना? We can do all types of work at one time. So computer is a versatility, है ना? Another characteristics is high storage. We can store lots of data and information in our computer system. It gives us a huge storage capacity. So high storage is also one of the characteristics of computer system. Okay. Now you have to write only 3. You can write speed, accuracy, versatility, and whatever you like. Okay. Now see, give the features of second generation computer. Second generation computers में आप features कौन कौन से दे सकते हो? देखो, ये तो first generations के मुकाबले कम heat पैदा करता है ना? Less electricity, less heat, and also size decreased as compared to first generation computer, है ना. These are the features of second generation computer. Okay, now what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is computer based intelligence. Like we can think, human being can think and take decision, and according to artificial intelligence a machine can also think and make decision. So we can give example of artificial intelligence is like गूगल, है ना. बहुत सारे ऐप हैं, बहुत सारे आजकल न्यू डिवाइस आ रहे हैं, है ना. एक तो गूगल मी डिवाइस है जिसमें कि आप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पूछ सकते हो, जस्ट आंसर करता है आपको, है ना. रोबोट इज ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, है ना. सो now give two example of AI used these days. So many devices used on the based on artificial intelligence. Two are, we can say, see, Google Now, self-driving cars, है ना. Both are the example of artificial intelligence used these days. Okay, now this is your homework for today. Learn this exercise as well as question answers. Okay, if you have any problem we will discuss in our online interaction classes. Have a good day.